Okay, newest addition to the inventory is a 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 quad cab 4x4, 4.7 automatic, 124,000 miles. It's either got a bad transmission or a transfer case. The body's in more like a work truck condition. Okay, you got a good grill with the black inserts, as you can see. The hood's not bad, but if you look close, there's a lot of dings in it here and there. Good for a private. Both headlights are there. Halogens. You got a front bumper with some damage on it, but we put it in anyway. Okay, right side fender is no good, right front door is no good, right rear door is no good. Outside door handles in black textured. You got a right front door glass, you got a right rear door glass with privacy tint, you got a right side mirror, power heated, black textured. Inside door handles are gray. Both window regulators have been tested, they work, no problem. If you look at the wheels are from a 05, not an 06, 05, they're 17x8s. Got a set of 4, clean shape. Okay, the bed, work truck, private only. Okay, left and right suspensions are all there in the front. Uppers, lowers, strut, spindle, rotor caliper, axles are good. Okay, got a good running 4.7, 124K on it. Rear end, 355's ABS. Okay, this is the rear ABS only, not the front ABS. Leaf springs, 3 leaves with a helper. Okay, the only thing you got here is a right rear tail light with a little chip on the inside. Definitely nothing bad, usable, just a very minor chip right there. Okay, rear bumper's no good. I put the tailgate in separate, even though it's got some damage on it. It's missing the top molding piece. It's got plastic. Definitely work truck. Left rear tail light's no good. It's broken 2 spots. Got a hole in it. Okay. Left rear door. Got about an hour cleanup. Okay, left front door, power window, power locks. Got some dings, work truck style. Right, left side fender, it's got about an hour crease in it. Okay, left side mirror, black textured. Okay, there's your power window, power locks, power mirror, single automatic. Okay, there's your cluster. 24,707, tack trip gauges, automatic. Steering column is column shift, tilt, cruise, delay with a key. Okay, radio is REF, AM, FM, CD. Manual heating controls is your 4-wheel drive dial. Okay, pardon me with the noise, but that's the button. All right, there's your headlight switch. Seats are no good. You got left and right manual seat tracks. Okay, this is the 40-20-40 style. Both sides, left and right, are manual. Rear seats are no good. As you can see, they're junk. Okay, there's the manufacturer sticker. Okay. We'll go underneath the hood here. We'll show you the 4.7 motor. Okay, cowl screen, wiper motor, wiper trans, wiper arms, all there. Radiation's good. Training cooler, power steering cooler. There's your AC condenser fan, power module, master booster. Back there is the ABS for the rear ABS only, power steering pump, alternator starter, AC compressor. All right, radiator bottle and a washer bottle of 1 unit. There's your there's your air cleaner assembly. I'm sorry, there's computers in the back there. Okay, got the hinges in separate. Okay. It's your upper tie bar white in color, lower tie bar black. And that's pretty much it. Okay, again, 2006 Dodge Ram 1500 quad cab, SLT model, stock number 8496. Okay, 4x4 automatic, 124K. It's either a bad transmission or a bad transfer case, one or the other. Body's basically a work truck style, and that's it. So if you need any parts of this, you can give us a call at 888-748-5924. The extra mole area Curly. Glad to help you with parts of this or anything else you may need. Our business hours here is Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday we're here from 8 to 1. Okay, we closed on Saturdays for the months of July and August. But you can get us online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 at allamericanautorecords.com. And that's it for this one. On to the next one. Okay. Ciao.